Alright everybody, pretty dang excited. This day has finally come. I just picked these up. They were supposed to deliver to my house, but then it was done by Sutton Transport. I know a guy that works there, and he's like, oh, I saw your name on the list. When you want this delivered? And I was like, hey, how about I just pick this up? So let's show you what we got. So this right here, we got a truck's visor, as you can see. And then these are the elbows, brackets, a lot of goodies. Excited. Gonna install this up tomorrow and see how all that looks. And it's funny because even though these are best fit stacks, they give you Lincoln Chrome brackets. Yep, catch you tomorrow. All right. This is working day. As you can see, there's the truck. Both of the exhausts are off. And I got the elbow on there. It's a pain. And then on my truck, I had to cut around here. I probably didn't have to cut here at all. I'm not gonna cut on the other side, just up around here, but it is what it is. Got it on there. And then I installed new bushings on there as well, because those were all busted up. You can see they're like gone. So these are your brackets where your bushings go. Obviously it would be nice to paint all this and whatnot, but I'm not gonna mess with that right now. I'm just trying to get these stacks installed. It's been honestly a pain, way bigger pain than I imagined it would be. But they are pretty badly gone, so it's a pretty good idea to replace them. As you can see. So these are your bushings. And then you just got your bolts, washers, and some lock nuts. That's it. Let's throw these on. Hi everybody. Let's see this shit. I'm out here cursing. Can't be cursing on YouTube. It was a real pain. As you can see, got the new bushings. Everything installed. Shout out to Matt, aka Nomad Trucker. And I'm about to have a first start. We just did everything. It was a real pain. Waiting for that APU to shut off. But as you can see here, we had to cut cab a little bit to make him fit. And then we had to disconnect the Y pipe and move it more in. But hopefully we should be good. I don't think that thing will be shutting off anytime soon, I guess. Here, if you want to record it. It's already recorded. It doesn't blow up. I don't know why it's doing that. Just normal Detroit idle, I guess. It looks freaking sweet. Next we gotta do the visor.